What would life be like without math? Can you imagine yourself living without math? Let's say you own a gasoline station and the customer will fill his car. What will you use for measurement? Won't it be chaotic? And how much will he pay? Will you be okay if he pays you a pair of socks and fill up his gas tank? You won't like it, will you? You don't like math, but you love money. If there is no math, this money will not exist. We will not know what the value of something is. If there is no number, money will have no value. It will be just a piece of paper. We can't use it to pay for the things we enjoyed today. Math is everywhere. We use math in sports to measure the velocity and acceleration. In nature, we have geometry and sequence. And even in art, we can see patterns and shapes. From money, foods, things, buildings, and even our calendar use numbers. Our foods needs a date for expiration. If there is no date, we could be eating spoiled foods and become sick. We use measurement for cooking. If we don't use the exact ratio for our ingredients, then every time we cook, we could end up with different tastes. If you build a swimming pool, you would like to know how long it is. You will also want to know how wide it is, so you can have a nice swim. We love to see beautiful buildings around the world when we travel. Look at these beautiful buildings. Aren't they fascinating? These are made of different shapes. We call it geometric shapes. Look at this trapezoid building. How about this pyramid building? This cone-shaped building. A circular building. A rectangle. A cylinder. A cube. The Pentagon building. We are dealing math in our everyday life. Math is real life. Without math, life will be nonsense. Mathematics is one of the essential emanations of the human spirit, a thing to be valued in and for itself, like art or poetry, by Oswald Veblen. The End. Directed by Amy Fishman.